Dreaming of getting your book published? Well, before you land that big book deal, there's one crucial document you need to master: the book proposal. Think of it as your book's business plan. It's what convinces agents and publishers that your idea is not just good, but a bestseller in the making. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how to write a book proposal that will get you noticed. First up, the overview. This is your book's elevator pitch. In just a few paragraphs, you need to summarize your book's main idea, its unique angle, and why it needs to exist. Be passionate, be clear, and make them feel like they can't live without this book. This is your first impression, so make it a powerful one. Next, you need to know your target audience. Is this book for? Get specific. Don't just say women aged 25 to 40. What are their interests? Problems do they face? Where do they hang out online? The more you know your reader, the easier it will be for a publisher to see the market for your book. Paint a vivid picture of your ideal reader. Now, let's talk about you. The author bio section is where you prove you're the right person to write this book. This isn't just a list of your past jobs. It's about showcasing your credibility, your expertise, and your platform. Do you have a popular blog, a large social media following, or connections in the industry? This is your chance to shine and show them you have a built-in audience ready to buy your book. After that, it's time for your marketing plan. Publishers want to see that you're a partner in this venture. How will you help sell the book? Outline your strategies. Will you do podcast interviews, guest blog posts, speaking engagements, or run social media campaigns? Show them you're proactive and have a solid plan to get the word out. A great book with no marketing plan is a tough sell. Finally, the chapter outline. This is the heart of your proposal. You need to provide a detailed chapter-by-chapter breakdown of your book. For each chapter, write a short paragraph explaining what it covers and what the reader will learn. This shows the publisher that you've thought through the entire structure and that your book delivers on its promise from start to finish. It demonstrates your vision and your ability to execute it. So, to recap, a killer proposal needs a compelling overview, a well-defined target audience, a credible author bio, a strategic marketing plan, and a detailed chapter outline. Putting this all together takes work, but it's the single most important step toward getting traditionally published. It proves you're not just a writer with an idea. You're a professional author with a plan for success. Don't be intimidated by the process. Take it one section at a time. Your dream of seeing your book on the shelves is closer than you think. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more writing tips. See you in the next one.